there. So I am doing some more things in my art studio today with house paints. So I am painting over a 10 by 20 canvas. My daughter had joined me here in the studio a couple days ago, and she was not pleased with her painting, so she wants me to go ahead and paint over it. So I hate to do it because I love the painting, but she does not want me to keep it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint over it today with some house paints and some leftover paints from some coasters that I just did. So let's get started. As you see, I have a 10 by 20 canvas. This is the painting that my daughter had. Now hope you put in the comments that you loved it, and I'm going to have to show those to her because I thought we should keep this one, but she is not pleased with it. So it is prepared with tape on the back, push pins. I'm going to have to play with it a little bit, make sure it is even. Mixed up with 3 parts semigloss paint, 1 part varnish, and then mixed to a flow texture with my paints. Now these are metallic paints. I'm putting my cell activator in the middle and blowing out from the center. Alright, so this is how this is turning out. It's getting some nice cells here and there. I'm not quite sure I like how the middle turned out, but I might add something to that later and then blow it out again. But I want to let these cells settle a little bit first. So, alright, so thank you for watching. This was fun doing a recycled painting and recycled paints with you. Thanks. I think the cells are done coming up in this one now, so I'm going to bring it in closer so you can see it. All the way through this one. It looks pretty wonderful, especially here at the end with this blend of colors. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. This one was easy, fun to do and fast. You can do the same thing with your glue and water recipes that I've shown you before. I just happened to be using up some house paint, so hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.